Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Today, I'm working in a very confined space. It is the bathroom because this is a very important room with any household. We're going to be painting over these tiles because over time they're beginning to look a bit dreary. The grouting as well in between the tiles is looking a bit worse for wear. Now you can replace the grouting and you can replace the tiles if you want to, but it becomes very expensive. There is a more cost-effective way of doing it. What we do is just paint over them, but we have to use a special paint. And then once we have applied this adhesive paint that goes onto tiles, we can paint over with any other paint. Let me show you how it's done and let me save you some money. So the products that you will require are the following. The most important thing is obviously the paint. Now you need Super Grip Deluxe paint for this. They do have other brands available, but this is the only type of paint that will adhere to tiles, and then you can paint any other paint over that. The paint we'll be using today for that is Plascon's Cashmere paint. A very durable paint, nice to wipe off, and it gives you a nice matte finish. Other products you'll need is obviously the paint tray, roller, paint brushes. You'll need gloves, a drip cloth and a cloth obviously. You'll need masking tape, a blade, you'll need a scraper, screwdriver, and Allen keys to remove all other fixtures, and a paint bucket. So before we get going, you need to mark off any areas inside the bathroom that you don't want to be painted. So you can use that masking tape and frame off your door frames. You can also cover your toilet or your basin as well as your taps using plastic with that masking tape. It's very important because once you get the Super Grip paint onto those areas, very difficult to get off afterwards. Then you can start painting by cutting in the corners with your Super Grip, and then we'll carry on with a roller for the rest of the wall. So I've given my Super Grip about 2 hours to dry, waited another hour before applying my very first coat of Plascon Cashmere. It's a beautiful color this and really complement this bathroom. Wait overnight before applying your second coat of paint, and then I think it'll be perfect. There you go. It looks amazing compared to the bathroom we started with. This guest loo looks like a different place altogether. 2 coats of the Cashmere Plascon paint and it made it look stunning. Well, if you'd like more projects like this, all you need to do is get onto our YouTube channel or visit our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.